you know, the water. So this is the vinegar and garlic. I just added garlic to it. It needed it, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Squeeze it. This is how it look. This is good. It's good, guys. That garlic and vinegar is good to me. With that lime, wait, guys, let me put the rest of this, because I don't want to waste no lime. I mean, like, I don't want to cut another lemon. I'm trying to use all of this lime before. Guys, this is it right here. I seasoned the salmon with, I don't know who that is ringing my bell. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm back. That was my neighbor. They be getting on my nerves. They ringing somebody fucking bell. Excuse me, guys. Trying to get in, losing their keys. Stop being irresponsible. But anyway, guys. Y'all see how I switched the tone up? That's how you gotta be. Out for an hour. Then, after I finish eating this, I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes to an hour. I'm working out again. I'm gonna do it, guys. I just wanna tone up. I've been the same size since I was like 17. No cap. Sorry. But now that I got kids, sometimes a lot of times I eat unhealthy because that's what the kids be wanting, you know? But I gotta stop that because it's unhealthy. I'm gonna put some more vinegar and garlic on my fish. So this is the last. And stop. This salmon got bones in it. You gotta be careful. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning into my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm out.